Big thing with pros, bad man don't play.
Hey, I'm too blessed to be stressed, man. I'm too blessed to be stressed, man. So yeah, man, let's operate nicely and keep it 100. It's a Jan Lonaba Charlie, and welcome on another episode of Comfort Zone. Yes, Eski,
my guy. Yeah. What up? It's a Kian, it's a boy, it's a man, Krim Tala Krim. Welcome to Comfort Zone, and welcome my. Yeah, man, Kamalama Kopa, too fun, and you can catch me on Zongi Socials. Upale tumtitimba I'm na ngaba bapala tuwabo tumtitimba straight. Yeah, man, we are here in streets of
bakuzela maitog in the streets of 6875 silapha namhlanje ku chill Fontaine event emagudera. Hey
man, jonga before bukele
khwaza last time ba akumakha
Zolahla. Okay, yeah, man, before bukele, don't forget to subscribe. Click on the notification button. It's not like you pay report. Just subscribe, man. So bonisa, man. Yeah,
otherwise apanga pakati sine DIY games, sine fashion show, sine ndonenya koya panga pakati. Hey, nintu ndo koya panga pakati but zabila jo. But as usual nayazi nani ndio ba sanibonisa yonke we event ngoku maske ngapakati. So nibonisa yonke we yenzekayo namhlanje. Otherwise siku chill Fontaine namhlanje, man.
The event, come on, my host le.
The Elite 6875. Suko Zipi Strato in the streets of Torrance. The Elite 6875. Otherwise, stay tuned, man.
Before we out, Hashkarampanga noise on the special level. Baba, they are there.
My dog, Ungalba Sokono so Mole, whatever.
Umama Kono.
Stay tuned, man. Stay tuned.
Hey, tell him cause he fully dead. Hey, tell him cause he fully dead. Man, we gotta go. Hey, tell him cause he fully dead. Tell him cause he fully dead. Man, we gotta go. Hey, different flows, I'm on the rise. Different flows, I'm on the rise. Money on my mind. Hey, different flows, I'm on the way. Different flows, I'm on the way. I gotta push the grind, ayy. Uzungan busi, fasten born, strata bani. Izolo ngibona team namhlanje wenza ingathi andazi. Anale la kwixesha kazi cause ileqa mali. I gotta make a plan.
Sure, yeah, man, it's a Kian, it's a boy. I'm back again, man, yabo. Komba ke ngoku man sifuna uyenza like lento siyenze live. Asifuna ngohlala phansi, man. Because if sizahlala phansi like izobhora. Komba masiye ebantwini straight. So ngoku sizoya ebantwini. Sobabuza ba how's the event? Kwenzeka ntoni? And sibuza inani sitoko. Cameraman, soluzongilandela cameraman. Siyaku inani sitoko. Jonga so far, stay tuned so far. Nazi nani sisazibona esibawivayisa le. Yeah, sure. Okay, yeah. Sulaha man. Support event. Hi, molweni qala.
Hi, Tom. Right now.
Sharp. So how's the event in Kagu?
Clock it.
10 out of 10?
100.
100. So the event is lit, dog. So next guest. Yeah?
I can't call.
Like it's so fast. It's so far. Enjoy. So far.
Andazi man. Andikayifeel vibe wangu.
Okay, feel.
Akase akanceli kaloku so.
Hey, guys, kuze I feel vibe. Mele anqile. Ay. Kusemeza. How's the event?
Wa asanikulo wenu sana.
Asutho wethu.
But then noko. Right wethu. Right.
Sure, esibani sivele ke babukeli bathi ba ku right. So what will be happening? Sizovaya ke ngoku sinibonise ba igames zidlalwa kanjani. So yeah, man. Mocho guys, ne? Ni right ke mchite? Yeah, ni right?
Sure pura yami.
So apha speaking noni ke ngoku speaking
apha tayami yabo kudlala le game.
Yeah.
Oluzileyo usela ishort yabo.
Okay.
Owinileyo.
Yima okay, khakuzodlala hlala.
Oh, like short yabo. So,
okay, better.
Ogqibileyo oluze egqibela ke ngoku uzase short.
dlala kaloku sibone
Jonga, unfortunately ufika wena shot.
Zibi shot.
Akaqubi lena jonga.
ishot gone so ayiziquba le so nina yima nina
Qala le uyadawazi.
nina nenzanoni ke ngoku
Sala luzo fa shot. Yebo qala ngogcini yabo.
so siphinde sibuye after 10 minutes okay after 10 minutes sibuye shot tango wethu so yeah man, back on our slot nibonile ke bakunjani but sizophinda sina kwezinye itafile man and ke khona amagongo uziyazi ke lo we yeah English yam melilunge kanjani melilunge English yam short tango we out stay tuned baba
Hey, tell him cause he full in there. Hey, tell him cause he full in there. Man, we gotta go. Hey, tell him cause he full in there. Tell him cause he full in there. Man, we gotta go. Hey, different flows, I'm on the rise. Different flows, I'm on the rise. Money on my mind. Hey, different flows, I'm on the way.
Too blessed to be stressed man, too blessed to be stressed man. Hey, aslapha ngaphakathi chill for name and ikephuthizela ngaphakathi siyabila. If meaning a chole and I'm just bonelo because of the penganosa penganoing the hashkran penganosa penganoing the Oscar my was otherwise my dog my nigga sham the good friend ah the shabe now you want to fight bang apagati ngono be feel by sharp kanye go sharp na come again if I bang apagati zabilo kana zibili kuwe Feta forangiri uyasivela nje nomntu ke le uyasivela ngokuyave ngokuba kuse akho mntu leyo wena namhlanje akho namba ubuya nazo namhlanje akho namba uzobuya nazo wena namhlanje sajonga wasabi ay buras Shaftas. Vamos tirar de hora. Betamads and born or everything. Togile moça. Dinheiro vai pagar. Yes. Vai querer hora, man. Olha aí. Bani grande. Ah, tu polelo grande até. 8,000. Olha nafuna uzaku-1,000 namba hey ivibe labanga phakathi na ifile nani na okanye use no anika feel ifoko no hayi kunoni osibiya kanje abanga phakathi tas kunjani dirita vibe ikhona abanga phakathi nina nikayifi si grand vibe ngoba singayolala so early Okusaqalayo and at the same time Okusaqalayo and at the same time say early sajongile move sekhona siya believe bayizokwenzeka le way at the same time clearly sikhuzile support amajida naphezana wena man kwaba khona bonona bangaphakathi khona bedaka aphakathi angendisho because ngikayiboni akona namo zobuya nazo namhlanje abana la phakathi zobuya nawo phakathi namba takona uzobuya naye namhlanje ngwanam alokufana siwazi akona ubuya naye namhlanje akona ubuya naye namhlanje phoza yami disipolele nje apha ngaphakathi sizela ubumnandi yabo masingazoyenza wena maxilwe qhala namhlanje kusalukala support qha begrese ezoye mazimi ibhijisi nakwethu apha ay amabhudelele ora Alo vile ubudele ora bana wasipanga phakathi zabiya namhlanje hayi askara inbangano ay asabe man buti shop anokiyeka dibonile rosi vibe dibonile ulapha anokiyeka sedikuvumela Batam nafuna nje ubuza kwenditsalayo because namhlanje since lapha ku-Elite 675 ndifuna uyiva wena noba le vibe le besipathele yona uyayiva okanye uyiva na
yazi kuba ndifika ne andikayiboni but into yalapha ekhasa yazi mos it's always fire
isakudala
yayo but ayazi uba ndize-enjoya into endijongayo
but wona mazvite masoniki shout out for hostel event etsomukanje because of yeizabili lapha ngaphakathi.
Shout out Majita. Indlu enenzayo ndiyayithanda movement yekazi.
Ako Dagi Booty, yes sir. Train my dog. Chol, alright.
Irati Jali.
So. Yo mnazengaya netuza ngoku. So kunjani lapha ngaphakathi? Mandale kuwe. Kunjani lapha ngaphakathi?
Nadi apha kunadi.
Uthi wakhe, yambo unjani? Jongi. Now. Bamna kwethu wena ufuna njani ngale event yenu?
Yo, it's big. Bulela support yabantu. Yabo. Labo basenza siyenze le way up. Biggest support. We're going big. The goal is on the highest level right now.
Asumana banam
Party.
namde woni kalayi wabe ngenyiwe de banganoza bengano.
You smell me?
Wela mangazana banga.
Amangazana.
Ano tiruijajo yo.
What the fuck?
But tag it up. Uja ngaphakathi. Bona bona baja banqalileyo.
Yes, yeah, man. I'm drinking with the code 6875 sold by Utamaron Tengselele weke kazi yabo. So yeah, man, sizohamba sekwezinye into nje like i-audience sibuze ba how's the event yonke loo nto bachaze experience yabo. So please, cameraman, please follow me. Yeah. Ngiyabona musi kusijani yini. Ngiyabona musi. Sex, talk. How is it, boy? How is it, Jam? Yeah, mocho shonga man. Ngifuna nje ubuza man, ba like kuwe nge-opinion according to your own opinion, ba how is the event so far? Isibamba nxesha ngoku. Like your better so zip past 10. How's the event so far?
Fantastic. Like everything is brilliant. ngokwenjongo zam
baseleke indoni bona amankazana
ngokwenjongo zam last time event engekho so
ya engeke so now like ngoku like igcwele ngoku igcwele live
there's something new side performance
Betty how's the event
event is good mfethu manje yabona ibitheni manje yabona abantwana bonwabile la we yabo okuntu manje yabona ke athi manje yabona nje okuntu se all out manje kona ibitheni manje yabona nawe
oko cameraman
oko yena la nto ke akayekhupha le yabona lapho ibitheni manje njengoba abantwana bonwabile apho yabo
okay thank you for your opinion so oko ngiyangaphi mali so guys follow me sakwe ladies now aw phansi ndawo man fit contact so yima hey ladies guys so ya ndiqala apha Zaitu ndiqale ngaphi kaloku ndiqale ngaphi Zaniza noyitu okay sure how's the event okay yima intoni yenza ube mnandi
Ibhura zendindala.
yima like amantombazana so yo amajita athi soba akumankazana nina nithi
Akumadoda.
jo okay except boy nisibonele mose ladies zonwabile apha so now let's go to umjita ke ngoba how's the event yeah so doc how's it boy
mocho kanjani
mocho correct event doc
event out of 10 ngireta 11 out of 10 event
why
because man i-safety ikhona sonwabile apha mntakwethu mani sonwabile kakhulu asinangxaki ikhala lefowuni intoni yonke into irayithi
yonke into imnandi awubaselekanga zibherisi
ibhedisi suthetha ngaloo nto kancane wena yo amabele akhona sonwabile apha
hayi ke xa sithi amabele akhona sishota ngaloni
hayi ngoku akho nto ishotayo khona amabele akhona sonwabile bula yam
ekuse nimvile uthi amabele akhona yabo so wena bungekho uyawaphosa how's the event
Hello, Kujani.
how is it
Oh, good time, Tommy.
why kumnandi
Because yonke into ilapha. Bayarepa. You-5, 100%.
100% akumadoda so yeah let's go now man let's go yeah so nika umnganami oza next yabo enjoy baba enjoy yeah enjoy nenzekayo ne funa uchaze fethu bani MC kana bani MC kana
mina laba
bani MC kana
mina gibeli yami
bani ogibeli yayo
wabafo suchitha kuningi
ubani osiphambe kanjena how's the event bafo
yabona mina ukhingoyo yamkhalakana sikokhalakana kimtasithamsibulala
don't expire
wabafo we don't expire we inspire baba yabona nalelashe leli ufuna
Wayithethe bingekho phaya nami ngifuna ukhomenta.
yima le eva kwakhe yima nizoza ibhedisi guys ibhedisi
ari uring khotmanyaka
ndibuza how's the event so far
so far khotmanyaka yonke into ivaya great ayifumana hayi yonke into ise-great mntayam ayikho into engathi kwathini ngayifumana otherwise as long as isihlangene as long as youth isayenza uyaunderstanda kungekho zophuma ethe kwathini sisahlangene sigrand sisasmayila hayi yonke into
sisasmayila toko sisasmayila lady how are you
Hi, I'm good, thanks, and you?
I'm good
Thank you.
ndichatile nditshatile
Nami ke sandiqala
izalahla endlini.
Nami ke sandiqala le nto
Okay, how's the event show?
Yothomile ibe yothonga i-top notch like bro.
Why is it top notch?
I think it's because it's the first time ndisiza kwi-Tufontein yabo, so ndiya-enjoya every moment of it ndiya-enjoya ingasingagoduki like can you stay here for the whole night like bro.
So ingasingagoduki.
Ngasingagoduki Tommy because kwamaphansi yapi what do you mean manzogoduka ndiyolala like what do you mean?
Akumadoda. So yeah guys, let me close the show ne. Ndibonile mosi how are the audience zichabule kanjani. So yes nalisizela lo ulele ematrasini uphosiweyo guys. Ndiyamsizela. Sure. It was a Kian eyethu Mtidimba. We out.
bonke bancini kubane besazi kubane beqonda kubane beyazi ukuthi umculo love save hey cela inkosi ivula indlela cela inkosi ivula indlela man we gotta go hey cela inkosi ivula indlela cela inkosi ivula indlela man we gotta go hey different flows I'm on the rise different flows I'm on the rise money on my mind hey different flows I'm on the way different flows, I'm on the way. I gotta push the grind, ayy.
Except data, itini data. The phone of the case, but the short and get data. Uzo, especial. Uzo, especial. Uzo, especial. Uzo, especial. Uzo, especial. 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 Ayy. Inkosi, 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 di inkosi, 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 di inkosi, 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 di inkosi, 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 di inkosi. Umama ukhulisa inkosi, ndinegazi lobukhosi, ndabuthatha kuhlangothi, ngalo mculo ndisinqoli, ndibagqotha njengeflow, ngazoqina inxeqondi, ngazosusa ungasoli, bazama unimoshela ubomi. Benzi izinto zangabomi andizithukela istoromi yendifocused andifloppy andihleki mna nesiboni ndiphetha umeka igoti akagqithisi likroti ndihleli estudio namarhoti anditsholi nonodoti inkosi 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 ndiyinkosi inkosi 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 ndiyinkosi inkosi 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 ndiyinkosi inkosi 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 ndiyinkosi cranium filled with vibranium. I feel flexed in the stadiums. Mbona panda every day. I feel come myself a massive kind of manium. I'm sure no drip, chong, gizaza, drip, ngaza, ukotini, samfadala. If babies, just the chaza, ay, ay. It's so lonely. only at the top. That's why they wanna see me flop. I'm always cooking in the pot. That's why the block is very hot. It's so lonely at the top. That's why they wanna see me flat. I'm always cooking in the pot. Why the block is very hot. Ingosi, 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 Ingosi.
So now it's next day after the event. I'm matching the event. So this is on here. Sibuzo matching land. Sibuzo matching. So cameraman landing. So like, how was the event? Like good.
Oh yeah, otherwise might be a case disappointing. But you have to change my
So can we about the event? Like you can be careful.
yeah, can say from make it the work still happen. I have to say, but I'm saying, more like planting.
Otherwise,
Nini show, mbuza mbebunu naba nini? Nini show.
Nini show ka?
Da di show go taba the way this is pana ngale oh but so ngaba khona next week ngaba khona na so ta this week pana ngaba ta
LV.
otherwise thina sinaba nabantu taba bona abantu yabona aya sinawezi bayi insist loba siyenze show then thina we do music for abantu so thina solo sifuna no platform enjalo so ukwenza show platform for abantu sipho ibe kanjalo so
and indeed the corner the link. It was nice, yo. Okay, let's yeah, cheers. Hey. Yeah, it's so everyone man has some people like talk. Except in the gym. So yeah, guys. Wait. Tell them please again to support. Support. So okay, man. In the gym. Say fala que não, ok? Vou não precisa jaqueta, mas tu vai na leite, mas moco, tu ainda momento aqui, eu bem muito so yeah, we are closing this man. You host here, hopefully, million or yeah, I'm going to be Dr. Charlie. Yeah, come back zone, please. Like, do and subscribe. Click on the notification button. Torrents inside media.
Yeah, upcoming artist of one. As number made it, as number made, as number sneeze parting, and the father, why just number made.
Bayikela abantu izona.
Hey, but otherwise bekubabungekho fethu kuchill funding. Afuna ukuxoxa futhi imithi yakhe yamene nomlungu. Konke yamene umuntu womntu afuna ukuxoxa. Amene umuntu womntu. Ba imithi yakhe, nyani balekile fethu. Ba imithi yakho binqobe lokho ejini encane. Ngoba itopa pingi Nike. Yeah, but you're doing it because if you get back home, I'm not going to go. I'm not going to go. If you get back home, otherwise, and binqobe amaqhinga iteki yela Costa ipink babenqobe lokho yejini encane lesibethe ipin senike but yazi awuthi uvuke pha kuma awushafuna khona la Costa yazi uvuke pha kuma
nawe ukutyelwa
dala natyelwa fethu and don't understand because that is a case
asihayika siyewusta
khona la ebachonga uyigibheka lebheka uyitya ngiqhala ngoba uyaqhala kadalikiwa ngabanye abantu yafumana
uyahayika uyevuvu
dala la spela Brian na kanzima yabo mna ngaqabana lo ole to check umuntu ngashala nemethi yamele wenze play khona indawo ukuthi play make down yafumana baplay mini dala nemethi afunqokola kamandila
sabona asatutyela
athi amnethetha ngokuthi ngaleyiso yazi dala nemethi ameplay mini ngikise ndize kamethi ithengele lo wena bemandi mina xa igoduka lithi amabheki manina nathi 100 rand isebenzisa lekiwayo yafumana 100 rand itsala kwimali yami yethu it's fine athi nomna baby ngicela ngithimele 50 rand okanye ungithengele umbane wo yaya ndizithenga mbane samthumelela imali 100 rand yaspoila la we kanqulu abantu yakwenye out zamgwena yafumana khona la we bachoma
uzela bakaza
ndlela enye indoda
efie munkazana tamara
awuthiyam but awuthiyam xalela ivarate awuthiyam sofa sikyelo awuthiyam
masamkele
samkele lwafika noni bomi bawo yakyelo understand yamkela
okay thank you audience ni feel kama haya uthi bana if you can understand accept haya so accept wey pumiskaje yeah man please sabulela ngoba utufikelela kwebantu samukele so please subscribe
inside Torrance Media
inside Torrance Media please subscribe search for YouTube if you put photo up you will find it there on Facebook Torrance Inside Media so yeah man it's about to go down yeah it was it yeah to Timba we are
Big King with bros, bad man don't play.